This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Julie.liebler. Absolutely incredible 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo. Fully renovated kitchen, updated bathrooms, fresh paint throughout and new carpet. Fantastic floor plan includes a large bedroom on the main level with a full bath and a primary bedroom with bath and walk-in on the loft level. The condo fee includes water, sewer and trash in addition to ground maintenance, community pool and clubhouse. Close proximity to restaurants, the amphitheater, and the interstate. Move-in ready. For more information, review the details below.